In previous part of this video, we have read about the skeletal system and the types of bones. Now we will study about the joints which are present in our skeletal system and how they work. In previous class, in 5th class, we have read about the joints like hinge joint, pivot joint, right, gliding joint, etc. You know about a little bit. Now we will study about them in detail. Let's study them one by one.
Joints. Joints are the point where the two bones are joined together. Ligament is a tissue which join bones. Tendons are the tissue fiber which join muscles. These are very strong and has cartilage between them. This cartilage performs a cushion like and absorb shock. There are three types of joints: immovable joints, partially movable, and freely movable. Immovable joints are the joints which are fixed. Partially movable joints are the joints which can move partially, and freely movable joints are the joints which can be moved freely. They are known as synovial joints. Synovial joints can be categorized in different types. These joints has cartilage between them to absorb shock and reduce friction. This reduction reduces the loss of bone. Ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is present at the shoulder. It has socket and a ball-like head which help in freely movement in all direction. We can move our shoulder in all direction like a clock. Hinge joint. It is a joint which allow only one way movement, just like a door. It is present in our elbow and knees. Our hand and leg can move only in one direction at 180 degrees. Pivot joint. Pivot joint is a movement which is side by side. It is present in vertebrae, that is the backbone. Gliding joint. Gliding joint allow the glides in a sideway, forward and backward movement. It is present in wrist and ankle of the human body. You can move your hand in all the direction, forward, backward and move around the clock. Saddle joint. Saddle joint is present in the thumb of the hand. It allows only one way movement. It is also called imperfect ball and socket joint. So these are the 5 types of joints which are present in our body and allows movement. Between every joint there is a cartilage present which absorb the shock and reduce friction.
So this was all about the human skeletal system, the bones and the joints which are present in our human skeletal system. Now in another part of this video we will study about the locomotion, how the animal move their bones and muscles.